for Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. There's something I want to tell you people about him. This man he use some kind words that are not good against. This man, in fact, if you really know him, you will find out that this man, I knew this man as early 90s. When I met apostolic work, now one Catholic church, Queen of the Peace in the Lumbre Parish, at that time, when I met apostolic work, I was very small. He was the only seminarian there apostolic work now that parish under the parish priest of Reverend Father Jacob from Martin Kogukwa. And I ate the Reverend Father the bulldozer. So that time, this seminarian, this present Father Mbaka, but the only seminarian who taught all the whole houses, streets, and compound they involved in that Queen of the Peace, and even the ones that are not close to the church, to make sure that all the whole compounds they every night. My own compound they involve. He was even the person that made my father started going to church, and some other fathers that we are not going to church I entered in a compound. On a bomba, one visit. Here gani kubuna ha. And some of this work on as a seminarian and a seminarian and I support seminarian na happy or. But only in Ghana the business finance him on with his own money. He will make sure no journey go to anyone on a broke rosary here. Where I need go anything my bone in a belly. That is where I knew this man for the first time. And I was Menugumochi father. But after I heard that Nochi father, I started coming to adoration. Then 2020, when we sinero about this man. When we COVID, all the churches were shut down. I was going to adoration on daily basis from 25th March till August 2nd, almost imagine Bepekwe adoration again. I go to adoration on daily basis. I was not looking for father, I was not looking for anybody. I will go there and enter bush and pray. Sometimes I go to the altar or get a book. And from there I started having relief. To the extent that one day I was praying around the altar of adoration. It was raining. So I sat down with my Bible. Surprisingly, after for like an hour, I was wet. But the Bible I was holding, rain did not touch it. I wasn't even the one that saw it. All one man and I bought Mr. Okoye, and one dark man and I bought a papa. On our adoration steady. But when you find out, someone like is it a military where much as ye gave in a baby, but I'm a million Bible. Already I know there is God in an adoration ground. But that day, my belief that God is an adoration ground waguzi to the climax. Then within that time, I saw trailers coming during the time of COVID. Now bata na adoration. Or rice. It was not advertised. And I can demand for palliative. I saw many people at the gates in everyday occasion. Now, what shocked me most about the security boys, little boys named the rice of road. Bialo, Ufuni blew almost 4 bags of rice, the small bags anyway. Njuzi Keka was he put 4 bags or say that now it was an order. Obu Nike the give more fluid na give 2 bags, each 3 limit of fluid. So this boy now will brew the rice. Father Chorodema. He don't want to know who you are. He don't want to know where you are coming from. He don't want to know if you are in a society in that adoration or not. As long as you are there, go and carry rice. In fact, I will tell you the truth. I witnessed about 3 to 4 trailers of rice. Then, another thing in Chigwagibona, Ofialaru, Onyega Bari Fada Mbaka, or somebody gave Kutia, Nama apologize to him. If you did not apologize openly, you will apologize inside. People will not know that you have tendered an apology. Why I'm telling you this one is this. That same 2020, I was barbing in a barbing salon at New Haven. So whichever nona BC, I see it side by side na BC. One of the guy na BC, not by my side, and na BC. So the guy said something. He was telling his friend who escorted him to Ebona BC that he never liked Mbaka for anything. Meanwhile, the guy be a banker, but I will not mention the bank's name for security reason. So, but the guy confessed that he never liked Mbaka. He was telling his friend, but I sat down listening to that gist. So, the friend went to say, could you imagine that na account to Ejike Mbaka was assessed? Maybe not when the Belibia will go account. When he assessed it, that the money on the accounts, adoration accounts, the more than hundreds of millions. But in here, after 3 days, that he assessed the accounts and he saw that the account is bankruptcy. There is no 10 naira there. Even na the father nagazi for loan to finish his work. So the friend where what was the work or said that this money was used for school fees, hospital bills, house rents, and many more other problems. Under 4 days now the accounts had to go crippled. Ona chigozo. Ne bangwa kono ba war. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka when I say do a reverend father more a clergy muliki memudiha empty no his accounts for the purpose of helping people, and nobody knew about this. Osina from that day, mostly that he showed remorse and he said in his mind, may God forgive him for hating this man. Not that they call like the man. In a nutshell, so many stories had come like this concerning the man. I am not standing to praise him. I am not standing to say that he's too good because we are all human. But I'm standing to tell you that that man will reason that if you are handling anything with him, you must be careful the way you speak against him. I am still bringing this word to all the good clergies, all the good men of God. I tag my own good men of God. Let us not see because we are all in social media chatting there. We have rights, freedom to talk, and we begin to speak and use unnecessary words, hurting words, destroying words against people. Not only the man of God, even within human. So this is what I want to bring to you about this prophet, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka.